Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In today's video, my buddy Taran and I will be showing you how to test, remove, and replace a faulty vehicle battery. If you're new to the channel, please like and subscribe for more content. Anytime we're dealing with a dead battery, you're going to want to get it tested first just to make sure you didn't leave a light on overnight causing your battery to draw. If you don't have a battery tester handy, you can simply remove the battery from the vehicle, take it to your local auto parts store, and they'll happily test it for you. Now that you know you have a bad vehicle battery, let's jump right into replacing it. First, remove the battery's positive terminal as well as the negative terminal and the support bracket located right above the battery. Remember to also remove any tie-down bolts. This is a 2008 GMC Yukon and the tie-down bolt is located on the right side of the battery tray. 2007 through 2015 Yukons, Tahoes, and Suburbans should all have the same setup as well. Now that we've got the old battery out, we can see the tie-down bolt from a different angle. Also take this chance while you have your battery out to make sure to clean out the battery tray and make sure it's dry and ready for the new battery. Next, we put the new battery in the tray and make sure it sits in place. Wiggle it around if you have to and you'll get it to find the sweet spot. Then you're going to want to take your time and make sure you get the tie-down bracket and bolt back in place. It might get a little frustrating, but hang in there. Practice makes easy. You should see how much practice I'm doing editing this video. Tighten the bracket down nice and tight to avoid any loose connections, which would cause you a lot of electrical issues. And next, we'll install the body support bracket back on the vehicle. This bracket uses 4 13mm bolts. Go ahead and get the bolts started by hand and then snug them down. Make sure your negative battery cable is back in place and let's get this job done. Last but not least, go ahead and put that positive battery terminal back in place. Put the cover back on to prevent grounds from touching your hot side and causing any shorts or draws. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please comment, like, share, and subscribe for more content.